Racing just is started. We have you got it all. First to show quickness at a start, running by the rail best asset. Don Paulo, Be My Baby, Europa, while Be My Lover is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have you got it all by about 2 lengths. Best asset in second. Europa is racing in third. Don Paulo, Be My Baby comes next, then followed over by Be My Lover, who's racing last half-mile distance. They traveled. We have you got it all by about 2 lengths. Best asset Europa now coming closer in third, and on the outside Don Paulo. Be My Baby comes next, while Be My Lover is still racing last. At the far turn, we have you got it all by about 2 lengths. Best asset in second. Europa is still in third, moving up Don Paulo. Be My Baby comes next, then comes Be My Lover, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have you got it all by out a length, and in second comes Best Asset Europa, Be My Baby, Don Paulo, and Be My Lover. With about 100 meters of the race, we have you got it all by about 3 lengths, followed by Best Asset in second, Europa, Don Paulo, and finally it's you got it all, Best Asset Europa, Don Paulo, then comes Be My Baby.